Welcome to our tutorial on how to open snoozed messages in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to access your snoozed emails in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top left corner of your Gmail interface, locate and click on the main menu icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, find and click on the Snoozed option. This will open your Snoozed Messages folder. By following these steps, you can easily access your snoozed messages in Gmail on your PC. Whether you want to check on important emails that you've temporarily set aside or need to respond to time-sensitive messages, the Snoozed folder is where you'll find them. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Stay organized and make the most of your Gmail experience on your PC by effortlessly accessing your snoozed messages.